आता पळोवया गोंयच्या कांय सरभोंवतणच्यो खबरो.
आदलो आमदार आनी मंत्री आवेर्तान फुतारदून आपल्या वाडदिसा निमतान नावेली गरजवंतांक मोफत वखलां दिल्यात. सुमार 300 लोकांक ताणें वखलां वाटली.
Outcome of the camp was like I had nearly 300 people coming for the camp, and I have given free glasses to each and every member. So on my birthday, this is the 4th time I am having this camp.
तशेंच रोजरी हायर सेकंडरीक सॅनिटरी पॅड इन्सिनरेटरूय दिला.
I have set up an incinerator in a higher secondary. That's a Rosary Higher Secondary. I had promised the principal that I will give it to them, but today I have managed to fulfill my promise. And it is the first in Goa. This incinerator is first in Goa to be installed in any institute. I feel that very soon I'll be giving the college section, then the school section, then our Perpetual Succor Convent. They also, because there are a lot of girl students in this institute.
हरमल पंचक्रोशी हायस्कुलान नासाचो विज्ञानीक विठ्ठल त्रिवेन एक्सप्लोरिंग युनिवर्साचेर भुरग्यांक व्याख्यान दिलें.
Pour water, it will form just bubbles like this, and then you have to catch the bubbles and not drink it, eat it. Basically, you have to catch and eat. Because we are born talented. So great kids are they born talented, born curious, and we keep that curiosity. तेच एक सांगपाक शकता. आनी दुसरो म्हटल्यार की what I talk is there is no physical limitation. So आमी चडशे फावट आमकां दिसता की चडशी आमची physical limitations आहा, physical problem. चडशी लिमिटेशन्स आहा ती ओनली मेंटल. आनी जर आमकां ती मेंटल एकदां कळ्ळें की आमकां लिमिटेशन फिजिकल ना न्ही, कसले प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करपाक कांय डिफिकल्टी नासता. सो बाय बर्थ वी आर टॅलंटेड, बाय बर्थ वी आर क्युरियस. सगळ्यांक जातनाच टॅलंट डिफॉल्ट आसता, क्युरियोसिटी डिफॉल्ट आसता. सगळे भुरगे त्या खातीरूच जातनाच क्वेश्चन विचारीत रावता. फक्त आमी जशें जशें मातशें व्हडले जाता तशें तशें क्वेश्चन विचारपाची शक्ती कमी जाता. कित्याक चडशे म्हणटा मागीर चड क्वेश्चन विचारप ना, अदरवायज आमी जातना सगळेच क्युरियस आसता.
रायची रोड सेफ्टी मॅनेजमेंट कमिटी आनी राया पंचायतीन गांवकार हायर सेकंडरीच्या भुरग्यांक रोड सेफ्टीचेर कार्यशाळा दवरिल्ली.
As you all know that the number of accidents and accidental death in Goa or all over the country is rising, and it is very important for all of us to respect road safety rules and behave in a disciplined way when behaving on a public road. So it is my request to the students to follow the proper traffic rules and keep themselves disciplined while behaving on public road. They must understand that all the traffic rules are meant for their safety. It is meant for their safe return home. I would request the students to wear helmet, drive within the permissible speed limits, don't use mobile phone while driving, don't overtake dangerously. They should inform their family members or the neighbors who are indulging driving under the influence of alcohol. Please tell them to keep away alcohol.
Bureau report, Prudent.
Give a break.